Welcome to the front-end demo of the super advanced level educational consultancy website developed by KCTech. This website is built using PHP Laravel framework. If you want to create a similar website for your own educational consultancy and grow your consultancy business, you can message us on WhatsApp at +977 98145 81248. The cost for this type of website is around $500. However, the price may slightly vary due to different technical factors. So, if you message us on WhatsApp, we will let you know the exact price. Once the project begins, the website will be ready in approximately 7 to 10 days. Now, let's explore the front-end demo of the website. The first thing you will see is the home page. This is especially designed for education consultancies and includes almost everything a consultancy website should have. Even if you have a team of 10 people, you won't be able to build a website more advanced than this. Let's begin from the top section of the homepage. At the top, we have an announcement section. If you want to share any urgent or breaking news with your website visitors, it will be displayed here. Next, you will see your consultancy's contact number and address, placed right at the top so that visitors can instantly know how to contact you. Here is the logo section. Once you provide your logo, we will match the entire website's color theme according to your branding to maintain a consistent branded identity. Then comes the menu, which includes homepage, about us, details about your consultancy, services you offer, product list, where you can sell physical or digital products like downloadable PDFs or courses directly from your website, helping you generate additional income. Pages for adding important pages like career, terms and conditions, etc. Blogs, very important for SEO. Contact us, and let's talk, an AI-based chatbot where visitors can chat directly with the bot and generate potential leads for your consultancy. Now, let's move to the first section, the banner section. Here, we will design beautiful graphics and display your content to create a strong first impression. If the first impression isn't appealing, visitors will quickly leave your website. So, this section is very crucial. It also includes call to action buttons to help generate leads. Next comes the destination flags section, where the flags of the countries you provide counseling for are displayed. When visitors click on a flag, they will see detailed information about that specific country. Then comes the About Us section, where you can share details about your consultancy, including a message from your CEO or founder with their photo, name, and signature. This adds a personal touch and helps build trust with visitors. Next is the Services section, where you can list all the services your consultancy offers. This section is very important because it is designed with high-ranking SEO keywords. For example, if someone searches for best consultancy for students in Australia, your website can appear at the top of Google or ChatGPT results, and due to the keyword-optimized URL and content. This means your website won't just exist, it will perform and attract real visitors, helping students discover your consultancy easily. Then we have the Why We Are Best section, which highlights the key reason your consultancy stands out from the rest. Next comes the Counter section, where you can display your consultancy's achievements such as the number of successful visas, years of experience, or satisfied students. Then we have the Courses section, where you can list the courses you provide consultation for. So, when a student searches online about studying a certain course abroad, your website can appear on the top with the relevant details. If they like what they see, they can contact you directly for the services. Next is a Call to Action section, encouraging users to call now or take action immediately. This helps convert visitors into leads. Then comes the Team section, where you can introduce your counselors with their photos and details. This builds familiarity and trust with potential students even before they meet your team. After that comes the Testimonial section, where you can showcase success stories such as students who got visas through your consultancies. These real-life stories motivate and inspire future students. Next is the blog section, one of the most important parts for SEO. By regularly publishing blogs with trending keywords, your website will rank higher on Google. We will guide you on how to do this effectively. Then comes the lead generation tool, where you can collect visitors' emails for follow-ups and marketing. Finally, the footer section, where you can place additional links, contact details, and other important information. The website also includes an AI chatbot which allows visitors to chat in real time even without staff presence and help generate leads 24/7 even at midnight. Every element of this website has been designed after studying human psychology, ensuring it creates a positive impact on students and visitors. The color combinations are chosen carefully to enhance branding, and the SEO-friendly URLs and keywords help your website rank high on Google. All content can be managed easily from the admin panel, or we can set it up for you. The admin panel is very simple to use, and in our next video, we will teach you how to manage it yourself. If you want to know more about this website, please visit kctech.com.np or message us on WhatsApp +977 98145 81248. Thank you.